tsunami warning. Repeat, tsunami warning. The National Weather Service has issued a tsunami warning for the following locations: Hawaii, Maui, and Honolulu. If you are located in this coastal area, move inland to higher ground. An earthquake occurred at 2:35 Hawaii Standard Time with a preliminary magnitude of 8.3 in the vicinity off the coast of Chile and is bound towards the aforementioned locations. Boaters should prepare for significant surges in harbors and move their vessels to safety. Follow the advice of your local civil defense officials and stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio or your local media for further updates. The statement will be updated as additional information becomes available from the Pacific Tsunami Warning Center.